Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What term refers to a firm that acts as an intermediary in financial transactions? Is it A, hedge fund, B, mutual fund, or C, brokerage? It is C, brokerage. What is the primary purpose of vernalization in plants? Is it A, enhancing root growth, B, increasing photosynthesis, or C, inducing flowering? It is C, inducing flowering. What is the primary role of chlorophyll in plants? Is it A, respiration, B, photosynthesis, or C, transpiration? It is B, photosynthesis. What was the former name of the country now known as Tanzania that was once a part of colonial East Africa? Is it A, Tanganyika, B, Zanzibar, or C, Kenya? It is A, Tanganyika. What is the primary enzyme responsible for synthesizing new DNA strands during DNA replication? Is it A, RNA polymerase, B, DNA polymerase, or C, ligase? It is B, DNA polymerase. In which country is Tagalog primarily spoken as a native language? Is it A, Indonesia, B, Philippines, or C, Malaysia? It is B, Philippines. What is a new moon? Is it A, no moon, B, full moon, or C, half moon? It is A, no moon. What is the primary source of power for an electric locomotive? Is it A, diesel, B, electricity, or C, coal? It is B, electricity. Which novel is Herman Melville best known for that features a quest to hunt a giant white whale? Is it A, Moby Dick, B, The Scarlet Letter, or C, Great Expectations? It is A, Moby Dick. Which country did John Cabot sail for during his exploration of North America? Is it A, Spain, B, England, or C, France? It is B, England. What is Kolyma best known for in Russian history? Is it A, gold mines, B, gulag labor camps, or C, agricultural production? It is B, gulag labor camps. Which famous orchestral work is Edward Elgar best known for composing? Is it A, Enigma Variations, B, The Four Seasons, or C, Symphony No. 9? It is A, Enigma Variations. In which country is Serengeti National Park primarily located? Is it A, Kenya, B, Tanzania, or C, Uganda? It is B, Tanzania. What was the primary ideological conflict during the Cold War? Is it A, democracy versus totalitarianism, B, capitalism versus communism, or C, nationalism versus internationalism? It is B, capitalism versus communism. Which album by BTS includes the hit song On? Is it A, Map of the Soul, 7, B, Wings, or C, Love Yourself, Tear? It is A, Map of the Soul, 7. What characteristic feature is associated with mammatus clouds? Is it A, pouch-like bulges, B, thick rain, or C, lightning strikes? It is A, pouch-like bulges. Which musical instrument is known for being played without physical contact and utilizes electronic oscillators? Is it A, theremin, B, violin, or C, piano? It is A, theremin. What is the primary function of a plasmid in genetic engineering? Is it A, form cell walls, B, produce energy, or C, carry genetic information? It is C, carry genetic information. Who is Carolina Herrera? Is it A, author, B, fashion designer, or C, athlete? It is B, fashion designer. Which Russian composer is known for his piano concertos and symphonies? Is it A, Sergei Rachmaninoff, B, Igor Stravinsky, or C, Pyotr Tchaikovsky? It is A, Sergei Rachmaninoff. What is sugilite primarily known for in the field of gemstones? Is it A, its rarity, B, its hardness, or C, its purple color? It is C, its purple color. What is the capital city of Ireland? Is it A, Dublin, B, Belfast, or C, Cork? It is A, Dublin. What is the primary use of zirconium in industry? Is it A, fertilizers, B, jewelry making, or C, nuclear reactors? It is C, nuclear reactors. What is the capital city of Sweden? Is it A, Malmö, B, Gothenburg, or C, Stockholm? It is C, Stockholm. Which hit song is The Chainsmokers known for that features the lyrics, "So baby pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover"? Is it A, Roses, B, Something Just Like This, or C, Closer? It is C, Closer. What is the capital city of St. Lucia? Is it A, Soufriere, B, Vieux-Fort, or C, Castries? It is C, Castries. What type of luxury products is Bulgari primarily known for? Is it A, furniture, B, clothing, or C, jewelry? It is C, jewelry. What subject does The Dave Ramsey Show primarily focus on? Is it A, personal finance, B, cooking tips, or C, travel advice? It is A, personal finance. What is the main focus of the Happiness Lab podcast hosted by Dr. Laurie Santos? Is it A, cooking recipes, B, science of happiness, or C, historical events? It is B, science of happiness. What is the primary practice associated with shamanism? Is it A, healing rituals, B, musical performances, or C, storytelling? It is A, healing rituals. Which television show is Tyra Banks known for hosting and producing that focuses on modeling? Is it A, Project Runway, B, The Voice, or C, America's Next Top Model? It is C, America's Next Top Model. What is the primary purpose of a mutual fund? Is it A, selling insurance products, B, providing personal loans, or C, pooling money for investments? It is C, pooling money for investments. What is the main goal of workforce readiness programs? Is it A, enhance productivity, B, improve employability, or C, increase retention? It is B, improve employability. What is the main activity that Svalbard is famous for in relation to its wildlife? Is it A, Arctic mining, B, lighthousing, or C, coral farming? It is A, Arctic mining. Which critically acclaimed album did Frank Ocean release in 2016? Is it A, Nostalgia Ultra, B, Channel Orange, or C, Blonde? It is C, Blonde. Which position did Salvador Allende serve as in Chile from 1970 until his death in 1973? Is it A, Senator, B, Prime Minister, or C, President? It is C. President. What iconic fragrance brand did Thierry Mugler launch in the 1990s? Is it A. Angel, B. Dior, or C. Chanel? It is A. Angel. What is the primary focus of the Australian National University, ANU? Is it A. Military studies, B. Technical training, or C. Research or higher education? It is C. Research or higher education. What key event in Rwanda's history did Paul Kagame help end in 1994? Is it A. World War, B. Civil rights movement, or C. Genocide? It is C. Genocide. What is the term for the submerged border of a continent that is typically shallow and extends out to the continental slope? Is it A. Continental shelf, B. Ocean trench, or C. Abyssal plain? It is A. Continental shelf. Which podcast explores the rise and fall of a controversial megachurch? Is it A. The Daily, B. This American Life, or C. The rise and fall of Mars Hill? It is C. The rise and fall of Mars Hill. What type of fuel cell uses hydrogen to generate electricity? Is it A. Hydrogen fuel cell, B. Lithium ion, or C. Solar cell? It is A. Hydrogen fuel cell. What fundamental set of equations did James Clerk Maxwell formulate related to electromagnetism? Is it A. Newton's laws, B. Maxwell's equations, or C. Einstein's theory? It is B. Maxwell's equations. Which actor is known for portraying James Bond in Skyfall? Is it A. Sean Connery, B. Daniel Craig, or C. Roger Moore? It is B. Daniel Craig. What is the primary function of a digital computer? Is it A. Data processing, B. Analog signal generation, or C. Mechanical assembly? It is A. Data processing. What scientific gas law is Robert Boyle known for formulating? Is it A. Avogadro's law, B. Charles's law, or C. Boyle's law? It is C. Boyle's law. What is the primary language spoken by the people of Tonga? Is it A. Samoan, B. Tongan, or C. Fijian? It is B. Tongan. What unique approach to music is John Cage best known for? Is it A. Chance music, B. Symphonic music, or C. Electronic music? It is A. Chance music. What is the main purpose of reinvestment in business? Is it A. Limit expenses, B. Increase growth, or C. Reduce debt? It is B. Increase growth. What type of geographical feature is the Gulf of Guinea known for? Is it A. Mountain, B. Gulf, or C. Desert? It is B. Gulf. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.